Hi, my people. Welcome back to Smart Money Africa, where we turn small ideas into big time business. Today, we are going straight into one of the biggest questions, which is why do so many Nigerians fail in business, and how you can make sure you are not part of those people who fail as a result of these common mistakes. So therefore, join me as we dive into today's conversation, where I'll be discussing with you very important keynotes that will help you as an individual to avoid some of these common mistakes. Remember, experience is the best teacher. So let's move on. Number one mistake that many young businesses make immediately they start business is what I titled as chasing quick money. Too many people want quick money. They start a business today and expect to blow up, boom, tomorrow. Business doesn't work like that. Okay? It takes time and it has step by step. You have to have this at the back of your mind so that any business you are going into, know that it has phases. Okay? Business is like planting a maize. You don't eat it the same day you plant it. Success takes time, patience, and consistency. If you only focus on fast cash, okay, you will give up when profit doesn't show immediately. So it will appear to be very discouraging to you. I encourage you to watch your approach towards quick cash when it comes to business. Again, number two is no plan. Many people just jump into business because they saw somebody else making money from it. So therefore, they do not do market research, no clear idea of who their customer look like, how they could source for their raw materials. They don't care. What matters to them is that someone is making money and they too they want to make money. So therefore, there is no single plan as far as the business is concerned. If you don't know what problem you are solving or who you are solving for, your business won't last. That is just the truth. Okay, number three on my list of one of the common mistakes that kill businesses very fast in Africa is what I titled mixing business money with personal money. This one kills business very, very fast, no matter how you hustle. You sell something, you make a little profit, and immediately you spend it on your personal things. Before you know it, your business is gone because you do not know the difference between your money and that of the business. Okay, you are different while your business is a different entity. So therefore, always separate your business money from your personal money, even if it's just by using a different account or a saving app. That will also save your business. So number four on my list, one of the common mistakes that kills business very fast is what I titled lack of customer service. Poor customer service is very, very bad. Some people act like they are doing customers a favor. They are rude, slow to deliver, or even find it difficult to pick their calls. The truth is, customers are the blood wire of their business. If you treat them well, they will not only come back to you, they will also bring more people. If you treat them bad, be sure they will make sure your business dies slowly. Number five on my list is giving up easily. That is, giving up too quickly. Many people stop after their first loss or when sales are slow. But failure is part of learning. Every successful business person in Nigeria has stories of when things almost collapsed for them. But they push through, which is very, very important. Okay? Therefore, consistency is the difference between those who make it and those who will not. So, how can you avoid these five mistakes we have identified? 1. Be patient and think long term. 2. Start with a simple plan. 3. Separate your money from your business. 4. Treat your customers like gold that they are and never give up too early. Okay? If you can do these five things I mentioned, your business will stand strong, and no matter the challenges, it will grow to the point of success. Remember, failure is only permanent when you stop trying. If others are succeeding in business, you too will succeed. Don't just dream it. Take action today. If you find this video to be helpful to you, I encourage you to hit the subscription button, which is very free, so that each time we upload practical videos that will help you succeed in your business, you will not miss it. So I encourage you to like and also share with someone who is about to start his own dream business. Thank you, and see you in my next video.